It's been a week in the European Parliament that I've had a lot of visitors and a lot of visitors from Wales and discussing issues which were really important to Wales too. One was the new trade agreement that's being discussed between Europe and the United States, and particularly talking about the effects on the health service. But I also had a meeting with representatives of the FSB, small businesses in Wales, and we talked particularly about tourism and the importance of raising the profile of tourism and making it stronger and better with a much greater contribution to the Welsh economy. We've also heard this week the very good news that the European Commission have put forward a lot more money into the Youth Employment Initiative. This is a scheme to ensure that young people have employment or training or an apprenticeship, something I've been really pushing the Welsh Government to take up. So we'll be looking again at every possibility for getting that funding to help young people in Wales.